Hey, you. Yes, you. Come here. Come here. Shh. I've got a secret to tell you. Do you want to live the life of your dreams? Do you want the techniques to live free and happy regardless of what's going on in the world? Come, I'll teach you. I've been teaching this for 27 years to people from all over the world, successfully. And now I have the opportunity, from living in a small little place where nobody knows us, to go out to the world. YouTube has given us the opportunity to open up a community channel, and we're sharing all our tips and techniques for free. So please, go to the description below, click on the link, subscribe, and get notifications to join us every week. In the beginning, 1 or 2 of the videos are long, but they are so worth it. And the others are 20 minutes a week, ongoing forever, for free. Welcome to our community.